Hello, friends! Do you want to play a game? Look over here. I'm going to write some numbers on this whiteboard and you'll have to guess them, all right? Here they come! When you know the number, say it out loud. Which number is this? That's it! It's number 20. 20. Well done! Let's try another one. See who guesses it faster. And this number is? Yes! Number 21. 21. Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure, it's number 22. 22. Will you figure out the next one? And this one? Way to go! It's number 23. 23. Let's try the next one. Which number is this? That's it! It's number 24. 24. Let's see if you know which one comes next. Let's see. This number is? Yes! It's number 25. 25. And the next one? Which could it be? And this one? Which number is it? Good. This is number 26. 26. Will you guess the next one? Which number is this? You aced it! It's number 27. 27. You're doing great! Which number have we got here? So good! It's number 28. 28. Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure, it's number 29. 29. And the next one, will you know which one is it? What is this number? Well done! It's number 30. 30. You did great! $20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Well done! Bravo! Do you like this video about numbers? There are lots more! Click on the seal to subscribe to the Smile and Learn YouTube channel.